Hey everyone, I want to do some kind of helpful video for you, and I know that a lot of us makeup artists, girls, we spending so much money on stuffs usually we do not know anything about. And all these products we bought usually is just playing and we're looking at them. I cannot tell that they are like bad or they had bad quality, but we usually just do not use it. It's different reasons why we do not use it, or it's too much pigment, or it's less pigment, less than we expect, or it's just another product that we saw on Instagram or on YouTube, whatever. I want to show you a few my stuffs which I bought like for last half year, but which I actually almost didn't use. I cannot tell that they are bad, they had like a really nice quality, but they are just different from what I expect. I also want to tell that everything about these products and everything what I will tell, it's only my opinion, because I'm working as a makeup artist, I'm working as a teacher, and for me product is not interesting like just to buy. For me product is not interesting like for bloggers which have to have a lot of products for views, for swatches, whatever. I want to buy products which will be really useful for me, for my work, will be useful for a country where I'm living, with temperature which I have to work with, and etc. So I will explain all reasons why I do not use or I do not like the products which I choose to demonstrate you. Unfortunately for me, but it's like a great luck for you, that these products have pretty high price, and I will be greatly happy if you will save your money. Let's start to see these products and save this world from spending money on nothing. Next products is just do not help me to do anything, and I still have it, and this is a situation when I have this beautiful box and just looking at that and thinking about, oh my god, my money is here in this beautiful package. First stuff which I want to demonstrate to you will be these Huda Beauty matte lipsticks. I know that a lot of people like them, and I also use this color on myself pretty a lot, but I think that you can find stuffs or lip glosses or lipstick which will be much more affordable and much more quality on my own taste than this one. What I like in them, I like colors which are inside. They are really great, and I adore it to use it for videos, for photo shootings, but on clients usually no. Why? Because it's have same long lasting as usual Sephora lipstick. I think that even cheaper one from Maybelline, like Ink, I don't remember the name of it, Ink, Maybelline Ink matte lipstick, whatever, is much more long wearing than this one. Yes, they are really comfortable on your lips, you do not feel like it's like dry everything. As for me, I just want more longevity from these lipsticks. Next product which I will show you, also really popular, and I think that each blogger did a review on this stuff, and each blogger just promised to us that it will be absolutely long wearing, like super cool stuff, super cool eyeliner. And when I bought it and tried first time on myself, I was like, what is that? It's absolutely not long wearing, it's absolutely smudged, it's not holding line even on my very dry skin in normal temperature outside. I'm speaking about tattoo liner from Kat Von D. I cannot use it even on the models, because if model have like oily skin, it will not hold. I can't use it with students sometimes when I know that girl will go and remove all her makeup and we do not have to see like longevity. I just absolutely upset with this eyeliner and the money I gave it. I know that maybe a lot of people will tell like, no, it's cool. No, in professional life it's like nothing. Much more better a new Huda eyeliner with like a double side. Much more better is a cheaper Essence eyeliner which costs like €3. but it will be such a long-lasting product, and this one is absolutely no for me, sorry. And here we come to a product which I really like to see in my beauty bag, and which I cannot use a lot because of some reasons, but I adore a package of it, and probably if I had chance to buy it one more time and knowing everything about this product, I probably will do same, because I want to see these products in my bag just because of box and just because of way how this box look, because some of products is just warm my heart, and it's like that. Next product, Rihanna Beauty Balm, a new one, Rihanna Beauty Balm 2. I adore this color. It's like a beautiful peachy rosy, such a small melted glittery highlighter. I actually use it. I use it on myself, I use it on girls, on education, we apply it on lid, it's everything okay. But if you are spending money, you want to see a little more probably. I cannot tell you this like a bad product, not, it's a beautiful product, but it's like not enough, something not enough in that, you know. It's very nice on cheekbones if you like a glittery highlighter, everything is okay, but not for this price. But again, if I had chance to buy it one more time, I will, because the package is just so beautiful. I will try to tone down light, so it's, again, it's not seen on a camera probably. It's how beautiful duotone reflects on every side of it, and I like this package, and I will have it in my beauty bag. But for you, if you want to buy it, better to think twice. You want to spend money on it or not. My next, a little disappointment in this product, because I like Charlotte Tilbury brand pretty a lot. It's absolutely good product if you're just a usual girl, a usual client, and you want to buy it for yourself. For my professional life, unfortunately, this product is not enough, and it is Glowgasm from Charlotte Tilbury in light color. Again, I adore packaging. I definitely want to have it in my collection. Sometimes I use it when I'm going outside for daylight. It's do its job. It gives me soft reflection. It gives me everything I want for myself, because I'm like more to neutral girl. I like minimum on myself in makeup, and for me it is okay. But for professional life, these colors is hardly to take. These colors is not pigmented enough for me only. For you maybe it will be okay. And yes, it's beautiful, crazy beautifully highlighting, bronzing, blushing palette. It's a pretty high price. I pay even pretty high price for it, because we do not have Charlotte Tilbury in Serbia, and I had to buy it in another country. I do not, sorry for money I got for that, but if I use it, no. For clients, sometimes on very light girls which have thinner skin, which is like minimalism, which like minimalism in makeup, but unfortunately in Serbia it is not about minimalism. Girls here want to see highlighter, girls here want to see some more intense eyes, some more intense lashes, highlighter, bronzing, and actually it suits to them, because they are by nature more contrasts than Russian girls or Ukrainian girls or whoever from this side of the world, and probably it suits more to more light fair girls, you know, but I cannot use it a lot in my professional life. But package is like adorable. If you want to see a beautiful package, definitely buy it. If you want like to use it a lot, no. Next product will be very popular, same, and it will be a product which is loved by thousands of people. More, I like it on myself because like it's an easy way to create soft blending, soft beautiful eye look. But for professional life, again, I have to use a little bit more intense stuffs, you know, some more intense eyeshadows. And this is just a product which I like, but I do not use a lot. And it's on you, you want to buy it or not. Again, it's super cool quality, so expensively in a good way, meaning package and product and everything about this. But it's too light for me. It will be eyeshadows from Tom Ford in color Cocoa Mirage. It's absolutely adorable packaging from start. This part is just so oof. This goldish and dark brown color of the packaging is look amazing. Colors also beautiful, but soft, but not so much intense as I need in professional life. Again, for my own use, this is a really beautiful palette. If I want to create some soft looks with the clients, it also will be beautiful colors. But in my working mode, I'm using more intense brown, more intense burgundy colors and whatever. I'm showing this eyeshadow in on my YouTube channel with some tutorials. It's useful for your own, but not for a professional makeup artist as for me, and more for Balkanian region. Here girls much more intense. They have dark black hair, dark eyes, dark eyebrows. Mostly all of them have very oily skin, and mostly all of them have a more medium to dark skin tone. In summer sometimes it's really dark skin tone, and this eyeshadow is just not so visible as I want them to be. And the last stuff which I will show to you, it's like my absolutely disappointment for this price. I cannot tell that this stuff is like a bad quality, but again, quality is not the best, believe me. Long story short, brush from Tom Ford, like a blush brush, I think, or for contouring, bronzing brush probably. This the smallest one. Why I'm not in love with that? First, I didn't know that Tom Ford produced a synthetic brushes. It is a synthetic for 80 euros. This is synthetic, and for me it is not a best quality synthetic. Yes, it's soft, but I do not like how these bristles move inside of this holder, you know, it's so deformed a shape, and I'm really afraid that if I will start to sterilize brushes the way I usually do, if I start to wash them often, I'm not sure that it will not lose the shape of it. It is soft, it is okay, but nothing special. Really, for nowadays you can find good synthetic bristle brushes in so much cheaper brands, and this one is like my just really big disappointment. First, when I go to the corner of Tom Ford, I just grab it and didn't check, you know, because I was obsessed. I wanted to buy this brush and I wanted to buy this bigger, like a powder brush from Tom Ford. I didn't care how much it cost, I just wanted to have it because it was like my little dream. And when I got it and when I back home to check this brush, I was really disappointed. You do not see now, but even when I'm opening, all these side bristles was like a fluffy, you know, it didn't hold in right way. And I really do not want to buy a brush for such a big price and thinking about, oh my god, I cannot touch it because I do not want to ruin, I cannot put a dark creamy product over it and to work on a face because I do not know will it wash to normal way or not. So this stuff is like my disappointment. I still cannot start to use it, not because I'm just caring about the brush. I do not want to start to use this brush because I just do not want. I have such a big amount of brushes with a different price, high price, medium, really cheap one, which will give me more happiness inside to work with them instead of this one. So sorry Tom Ford, but when you did a natural bristle brushes, they was so beautiful, and to sell synthetic brush with not like 100% perfect quality for this price, I think that no, just no, sorry. So here it was, all list of my some sort of disappointment and products which do not cost its price. And I will be happy if I will help you to save some money, to do final decision if you are dreaming about some stuffs, because same as I'm more than 10 years in makeup, working as a makeup artist, as a teacher, as a trainer, whatever. I still have this feeling when I saw something new, it's beautiful, and I just want to run, buy it, and sometimes we just do not care how much it costs. It's like a collection, it's this like really obsession, I think, for every girl, not only for professional makeup artists. And this stuff I truly wanted by all my heart, but for luckiness or for some sad moments, I do not care, I do not use it. I will have them in my package again, but it's like, I think that it's more, you know, to show our children how it was 10 years before. And anyway, thank you for watching. Write down all products which maybe you bought and you're just disappointed with them. Of course, write a reason why, because just to say I do not like it, it is not acceptable for me. And thank you for watching. Subscribe, ring the bell.